Okay, so forget anything that's happened before. This is the best Bazaar run. This is it. It's over. I have got the Exodia pieces. Look at this shit. End of the run. We're about to watch me win, but I got all the pieces. I had the Colossus. We got Soul of the District. We got the Icy the Boulder. We got fucking Arken's ship. We got this rowboat that just is pogged out of its gourd. We got the button that charges everything. We got command ship that's lowering the cooldowns on everything. Already I was just doing a fire build that was proccing a bunch of fire, and then I got every big boss weapon all at once. Like you can see I had fiery and, you know, an extra, some cool little skills. Then we just got everything. We just got everything all at once. So I just got Arken's ship. I just got the Eclipse. So let's watch together what happens.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with
Oh,
nobody.
this is, I feel so dirty. Alright, you've got about 1 second to live, buddy boy. Hello? And... go ahead, hit me. Proc Eclipse. And goodbye. And that's the game. That's the game, everyone. Thanks for watching. Holy fucking guacamole. Recap. I mean, honestly, feels underwhelming. I needed to fight like a super duper like Pygmalion to even remotely challenge this power level. All right.